Welcome all of you. As per the gate dates announced today, that is 31st August is the date for the starting date for the registration, and end date for the registration is 13th September. Today we will see how to fill up the official gate application form on the official website. Just go on the Google and search gate 2023 and press search button. Then you will get the first site, that is gate.iitk.ac.in. K stands for the IIT Kanpur organizing gate 2023 examination. So click on that site. You will go on the page, that is in this page you will see the login option. If you are new here for the registration, click on the login. If you are new also, click on the login. There is you will get the another option, that is new user, register here. On the new user register here, after clicking here, you will get the option for filling your details, that is first name, middle name, last name. I will fill my details. Simultaneously you can fill your details on this site. Details, press on the confirm. Then you will get the access on the another page. Here you can fill your email address, confirm email address, the mobile number in which you can get the OTP, confirm that mobile number, insert your password. You can generate your own password here and confirm it, and after that you will fill the captcha, that is expression of the mathematical. Simultaneously you can fill these details. After filling all details, press on the submit button. After pressing on the submit button, you will get the message, pop-up message on your screen, that is registration successful, and here your registration is successfully and your credential is sent on your mail. As you get the enrollment ID on your mobile number as well as on your mail ID, enter that credential, that is enrollment ID and password which you have generated in previous page. Enter all details and press on the submit button. After filling your enrollment ID, password and captcha, that is expression, arithmetic expression, hit on the submit button. You will go on the another page, that is in here you can fill up your complete details. Before going to the details page, here is one checkbox, that is I hereby declare all the details as you are filling in the previous page, that is all are correct. You click on that checkbox. Total 5 stages are there. First stage is exam details. We are on the first stage. After that there is personal detail. After filling the personal detail, you will get you will have to fill the address and correspondence. Then finally qualifying degree details and upload required documents. So let's start step by step. Here from the gate 2023, there are two options available, in which you can fill the gate examination form. At least you have to choose one, or either you can go for the two examinations for the different papers. Currently I am choosing the one. If you want to give the two exams on the gate paper, you can choose two, but definitely you have to pay the more amount, that is double amount as the examination fee. If you want to fill the one examination form, then choose one. Simultaneously fill up all the details. If you choose one, there is one option. If you choose two, then there is another option available to you to take the another paper for the gate. That there are different options available for the paper number 2. Currently I am choosing the only one, that is civil engineering. After that, choose the examination city in which you have to give the examination. Listen, there is one thing you have to keep in your mind. The examination is going to perform on the February 2023. So at that time you are available, check you are available for that city, or you are not available for that city. So according to that time you have to choose your preference of the city 1, city 2 and city 3. So I am choosing 3 different cities as per my convenience. You can choose as per your convenience. And after choosing the cities as per the priority, then press on the save button, and then after saving, press on the next button. You will get the second stage. As you click on the next button, save and next button, then you will jump on the personal detail page, and here you have to confirm your mail ID and your mobile number as the OTP generation process mobile number. After filling all details careful, you have to check once again all details are correct or there is any correction. You have to compulsory fill all details are correct. Then click on the save, first of all save, and then after save, then click on the next button. So I will fill all my details here. here is one important concept, that is you have to verify your email ID and mobile number. The OTP is already sent on your registered mail ID and registered mobile number. Then you have to enter that OTP correctly. That is different for the email ID and different for the mobile number. After entering all details, you have to scroll down and click on the save button, and after save button you have to click on the next button to go for the third stage. As we come on the third page, here is you have to enter your complete all address, and after entering all address detail, you have to save these details, and after save you have to go click on the next button to go on the fourth stage. If you come on the fourth stage, that is qualifying degree details, you have to enter your all details, that is college pin code, college name or university name. Either you can enter your college name or also you can enter your university name. Then their territory, that is state. After that, location of that college, that is city and town. Institute registration number, you can enter your roll number here of the current academic year. If you are in third year, enter your third year roll number. If you are in final year, enter your final year roll number. If it is not allocated you can enter also your PRN number. Then qualifying degree, in which degree you are qualifying, there are a number of options available. BE, Bachelor of Engineering, MSc, MA, MCA, ME, MTech, all details available, from which you can applicable for the GATE examination. Choose your corresponding qualification degree, then discipline of the degree, in which branch you are completing your degree, then year of qualification, as you are completing your graduation in this 2023, enter here 2023. If you are completing into 2024, here is also option available 2024. Then degree awarding university or institute, again enter your institute name, then college name here is compulsory. After all details, press save. After save, click on the next button for going to the last stage, that is upload documents. At the final stage, there are three options available, which you have to upload your documents, that is a color photograph, then your signature, official signature, and then the photo ID. The photo ID details which was entered in the previous stage, that is personal details. In your personal detail you entered your iCard details, that is Aadhaar card or PAN card. You have to upload the same photo here, but there is a restriction, that is photo should be in 10 KB to 600 KB. Then your signature should be in the 80 to 220 pixel resolution, and your photo should be 240 into 320 resolution, that is 5 KB to 200 KB. So I will choose all my photos, signature and iCards, and there is final option available, that is from here you will get the details about the GATE 2023. Then choose corresponding options, from which you will get the details of 2023. You can choose your social media, that is Facebook or Twitter, or even you can choose the internet search or GATE 2023 poster. So after uploading all details successfully, then you have to save and view applications. After save and view, you will view the complete applications for the final cross check. After final cross check, if you feel that your complete application is correct, then you will go for the review and submit button. After submit button, there is another option, that is final stage of the payment. So I will fill all details simultaneously. You can fill your all documents, upload here, and you will go to the final stage, that is payment. As you completed all the details, final page is declaration checkbox. You have to click on this checkbox, and finally there is e-signature. You can enter your full name here or your simple name in here as a e-signature to submit and proceed for the payments. After entering the details, you can go for the submit and proceeding the payments. There is a payment gateway you can see on your screen. From this current year, the examination fees increased up to the 17,000. From up to the previous year, there is a amount 15,000 is for the one paper, but from this current year there is 17,000, and if you are choosing the two examination paper, the examination fee is going to the double. So